Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session. Today you are going to learn new chapter areas related to circle. You already learnt about areas, right? So you calculate area of rectangle, square, triangle and even circle also using formula method. Using various formulas, that is area of rectangle equals to 2 length into breadth, where area of square is side into side and area of triangle is half into base into height. Then area of a circle equals to pi r square. Using various formulas, you are able to find area of a object, two-dimensional figures. Now, then what is an area? Area is the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. Area is the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. See here, ABCD is a two-dimensional figure. What is its area? Area of this figure is the region between, within the boundary. The area of this figure is the region within this boundary, that is AB, BC, CD and AD. The space occupied by a flat surface. What is the area of this circle? That is the space occupied here. That is area. Here also the space occupied by this boundary is called as area. Then how will calculate perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary. See here, for this figure, perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. What about this figure? Perimeter is length of this boundary, that is nothing but circumference of the circle. And in this figure, perimeter is sum of the three sides, that is the boundary of this figure, that is AC, CB and AB. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side, whereas perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Then perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r and perimeter of a triangle is sum of the three sides. So using various formulas, you are able to find the perimeter of a two-dimensional figure. Today you are going to learn area of the various parts of the circle, that is sector and segment. Area of a sector and area of a segment, as well as areas of various combinations involved in circles. Let us take one example to find the relation between areas of two figures. For example, the circumference of a circle and perimeter of a square are equal. The circumference of this circle and the perimeter of a square are equal. Find the relation between their areas. Find the relation between their areas. How we can find this? The circumference of a circle C equals to perimeter of the square, that is 4 into side. What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r equals to 4 into side. So circumference of a circle and perimeter of a square are equal. So now cross multiply, side equals to 2 pi r by 4, right? So pi is 22 by 7, constant value 4 into r. Now simplify, 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 11s are. So 11 by 7 r. This is the side. Now find the relation between their areas. Now find area of a circle. So area of a circle is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square. This is the area of a circle. Now find area of a square. So area of a square, side into side, that is side square. So side is what here? 11 by 7 r whole square. 11 by 7 whole square, r whole square is 121 r square by 49. Now, which is having more area, circle or square? Compare these two areas, 22 by 7 r square and 121 by 49 r square. Compare these two areas. So, I will make common denominator, then I will get 49 here, multiply both side by 7. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14, 14 1, 15 r square. This is 121 by 49 r square. So which is having more area then? Then area of, see here, area of a circle is greater than area of a square. Area of a circle, this is area of a circle which is greater than area of a square. So this is the relation between their areas. The question is the circumference of a circle and perimeter of a square are equal. Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r and the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So side equals to 2 pi r by 4. So pi is 22 by 7. So that side is 11 by 7 r. Now find areas. So area of circle is, you know, that pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square. Similarly, you find area of a square which is side into side, side square. 11 by 7. Side is 11 by 7 r whole square. 11 square is 21, 7 square is 49 r square. 121 by 49 r square. So compare both the areas in which area of circle is greater than area of a square. So write area of a circle is greater than area of a square. Next example is find the area of the largest triangle inside a semicircle. How we can find area of the largest triangle inside a semicircle? See here, ACB is a semicircle. So find area of the largest triangle inside a semicircle. You know that angle in the semicircle is a right angle. So that angle ACB equals to 90 degree. Angle in the semicircle is a right angle. So angle ACB equals to 90 degree. Okay. Now BO is the radius of the circle. Then what is AB? AB is twice of the radius, 2r. Therefore, area of this triangle. So join CO. So CO is perpendicular to AB, which is nothing but radius of the circle. CO is perpendicular on AB. So CO is radius of the circle. Therefore, area of the triangle, ABC equals to half into base into height. So what is base here? OB is the radius. So base is AB. So what is AB? Double of the radius, which is 2r. Then height is also radius, which is equal to radius. So r. So this 2 and this 2 cancel, r square. So area of triangle, largest triangle inside a semicircle is r square units. R square, square units. Next is if the perimeter of a circle is equal to that of square, perimeter of a circle is equal to perimeter of a square, find the ratio of their areas. Perimeter of a circle is equal to perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. What is perimeter of square? 4 into side. So side equals to 2 pi r by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now pi value is 22 by 7 into r by 2. So which is 22 r by 14. So which we can write as 11 by 7 r. Divide both side by 2. So you will get 11 by 7 r. So this is the side of a square. Now you need to find the ratio of their areas. So ratio of their areas. That is area of a circle divided by area of a square. What is area of a circle? Pi r square. Area of square is side into side. Right? Okay. Pi value is 22 by 7 r square divided by side square. What is side of the square? 11 by 7 r. So 11 by 7. So reciprocal of 11 by 7 is 7 by 11 r. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square divided by side square, that is 11 by 7 r whole square. 11 by 7 r whole square. So 22 r square divided by 7 into 11 square is 121 r square. And 11 by 7 reciprocally 7 by 11. So 7 square is 49. Now simplify r square. Then 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So simplify now. 22 by 121. Divide both sides by 11. 11 twos are 11 11s. So 14 by 11. Therefore, ratio of their areas is 14:11. So ratio of the area of a circle and to the area of square is 14:11. Find the area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 cm. You need to find area of a circle which is inscribed in a square of side 6 cm. How to calculate area of circle? To find area of circle, formula is pi r square, but the radius is not given. How we can calculate area of this circle? See here, circle is inscribed in a square. It means circle touches 4 sides of the square inscribed in a circle. Therefore, the diameter of the circle is equal to side of the square. Diameter is equal to side. Diameter equals to side of the square, which is 6 cm. Therefore, area of a circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and radius is half of the diameter, that is 6 by 2 whole square. So which is 22 by 7, that is 6 by 2, that is 3 square is 9. So that 198 by 7 centimeter square. Area of a circle is 198 by 7. When circle is inscribed in a square, then the diameter is equal to side of the square. Therefore, area will be pi r square, where pi is constant, its value is 22 by 7 and radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is 6, so that radius is 3, 6 by 2, which is 3. So 3 square is 9. So 22 into 9 is 198 by 7 centimeters square. Next one, find the area of a square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter. Find the area of square where side is not given. Using radius 8 centimeter, you need to calculate area of a square. Now see here, square is inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter. It means the diameter of the circle is 16 centimeter. Diameter is 16 centimeter. Diameter is nothing but hypotenuse of this square. Diameter is equal to hypotenuse, and you know that in the square all the four sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree, so that ADC is a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, where hypotenuse AC, which is 16, and AD and CD are equal, take as x. Apply Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. So 16 square is 256 equals to x square plus x square, which is 2x square. Therefore, x square is 256 by 2. So 256 by 2 is 128, which is equal to x square, which is nothing but side square. Therefore, the area of a square is 128 square centimeter. So, area of a square is 128 centimeters square. I hope you understood this. Thank you, students.